Why have you asked to listen to the song?
And why are you trying to control the entire earth?
Well, the question to that is...
It's raining French fries from out of the sky. French fries, no need to ask why. Just get the bag out and hold it up. It's raining French fries, it's raining French fries. As we sing this song, French fries, a buffet won't be long. Potatoes, ketchup, and soda. It's raining French fries, yum, 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 yummity, yum. Better than cookies. Yum, 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 yummity, yum. It is pedigree.
Potatoes, ketchup, and soda. Potatoes, ketchup, and soda. Potatoes, ketchup, and soda. Potatoes, ketchup, soda, 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 soda.
It's raining French fries. Ooh, raining French fries. Ooh, raining French fries. Ooh, it's raining French fries. It's raining French fries. Ooh, raining French fries. Ooh, raining French fries. Ooh, it's raining French fries. It's raining French fries.
Okay, now the question was, you were listening to this song. It's retarded.
No, it isn't.
Okay then.